My little green machine, what do you reckon, hey? That is the most expensive purchase on the FMR channel to date. She is a 1974 Aussie built 998cc Leyland Mini. Colour on this little green machine, this beast, is hairy lime. Hairy lime. I don't know what they were smoking that date, but it was the 70s, so anyway. Now, before I do a deep dive into this limey bastard to see what I'm actually up for and what I'm in for, let's go back in time to when I bought the car and then brought it home. 2 stages. It was a long journey. Let's go and check it out.
In the war on vehicle and neglect and mistreatment, the worst offenders have their cars rescued, restored, and rehomed by a crack resto team known as the Neglected Vehicle Unit. These are their stories.
We've looked at the car, we have bought the car. Yes, it's a bit rough, but the 5-minute test drive I had was an absolute blast. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be down the track a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Oh, now it's bouncy as hell. Straight away. Cam, thank you, buddy, for all your help, helping me get up to Caloundra, following me back home, all the travel you've done for me, mate. Thank you very much. Thanks for storing it as well. So this is going to go into storage for a couple of months, maybe a few months, until we have the Ningy Nugget sorted. So now I'm going to get my ass into gear, as they say, and get the Nugget finished. So yeah, thanks Cam. You're a legend.
It's got patina.
Yeah, but I don't want. But then you got this.
If you patch that up, blend it in. Oh dear.
I don't know.
It's nice and easy.
Well, that's right. The 65 spare tyres. You're excited, aren't you?
They're all pumped up in case you get 10 flats on the way home.
What are you doing? Piece of shit. It's a rotary, mate.
Sounds like it.
Well, thank you, brother.
Oh, thank you, mate. Let me know when you get home, all right?
Yeah, I will. 9 litres and $16. I can't feel anymore, so it must have been right. The gauge must work. They go faster, you know, like with the wheels and stuff. Steering like that. 4 keys, I don't know what does what. We're nearly home, she made it. Drives nice. Okay, with the story of its journey to my home out of the way, let's do a bit of a look-see at it. First thing I want to talk about that I noticed when I picked it up that I didn't see when I purchased it. Again, I said it was basically rust-free. Now this here, surface, it's not too bad. The gutters have some surface in them too. They're drain holes. There, see, they're drain holes. That's not a problem. None of this is a problem, but this here, and this is where they all go, I thought that was okay, but I just poked through it this morning. So we've got ourselves a hole there. The floor pan is looking good. You know, we've got a few bits that I need to treat. The aluminium strip has come off in a few spots. The bumper is a bit worn. One tank, you can get dual fuel tanks for these. Tyres need replacing, some more surface rust. It has had some patch-up work done at some point. I've got a clear on it here. Now, generally these paints of the era were not clear-coated. Someone's put a cigarette through the flare, which is a bit of a disappointment. Grill's pretty straight. We've got a bumper dent here. A little bit of rusting under here. Nothing severe. It's all surface. Underneath, look how low the sump is. Like it's barely 100 mil off the ground, so you've got to be really careful driving them around. Hello. Under the bonnet, we have a beast of a 998cc motor. Thing runs absolutely sweet on the road. This has been replaced at some point. That's the paint of the replacement panel. It's probably some other weird named colour from Leyland, like baby shit yellow. I don't know. You can see it in here. Inside here's pretty good. Smells like petrol. It has had some maintenance done on it before I bought it. It was some years ago, but it's done no kilometres since. We've got Mr. Bean's teddy in the back. Let's hop in, let's have a look inside. Oh, very original. We've got the original steering wheel. It's off kilter. I might have to get that straightened or looked at. Modern radio, of course, they all do this. The seats are absolutely, look at that, absolutely destroyed. That's why I bought a new set, second-hand new set. This door card's all gone. It's actually sitting in the back. Don't you love the leopard skin? Roof liner is damaged here. Whoop, try doing this on the camera. Here, here, roof liner damaged. And it's got the same kind of mold we had in the Peugeot. So I'll try and clean that, maybe. I might even stain this or dye it. I'm not really sure. Need some door rubber replacements. I am not trying to do what I did with the Hilux. That was massive in a DIY build. I just want this to look smart. Yeah, these rubbers are pretty much stuffed. Look at this. Where are we? See, the rubber's coming out. So I'm sure there's a rubber kit for that. I might be going for a patina look. What do you reckon? First thing we do is degrease and clean. That's what we're going to do. Rip the seat covers off and see how bad the seats are underneath. I might order some tyres. Seeing as it's Easter, I don't really want to run around too much. I'm going to get online now and look for some carpet and some door rubbers and that kind of stuff. I don't want to spend too much in the budget. We're already at 7.5K on the car. And the replacement upholstery, the seats, were 1,500. I think he touched me up a little bit there. I think he inserted his finger a little bit and hurt me. So it owes me $9,000. I don't want to go a lot more than that, maybe another 1,000 or so. But yeah, maybe looking at 10 to 11,000. I think I'll be lucky to get that back. If we get 15, well then we get 15. Or do I keep it? I don't know. I get these cars. I mean, it's not often you've got a garage with something like that or that sitting there. It's very hard to fix and then try and sell it. I hope you like the new purchase. I'm actually going to try and fit it. Let's turn the camera around here. I'm going to try and park it here like this and still get the Unos back in. So I've got 3 in the shed here. I don't know if that's going to happen, but we'll see. There you go, folks. The new car to be resurrected at the FMR garage. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I've never owned a Mini. You know, the first major Santa present I got when I was a kid was a Scalextric. What do you call it? The Scalextric cars, you know? And they were the Minis. And I love the Italian job. So now I'm going to give it an Italian job by an Aussie Italian. All right, find it, buy it, fix it, flip it, have some fun along the way. Remember Rushy, and we'll catch you next time when we make some decisions on what to do with the Spice Girl. Old Spice. You tell me. Anyway, see ya. Have a look at that for parking. Woo! Man, how cool is that? They said you'd never make it, but you finally came through. For all of you who've made it, this one's made for you. I don't know what else to say. Mr. Bean.